What's the meaning of barbaric? Barbaric. Barbaric.
Barbaric. Barbaric. The word barbaric is an adjective that is used to describe something that is considered wild, uncivilized, and primitive. It is often associated with acts of violence, brutality, or cruelty that are outside the bounds of accepted social norms. The term derives from the ancient Greek word barbaros, which referred to people who did not speak Greek and were thought to be uncivilized and inferior. In modern usage, barbaric is often used to describe behaviors or practices that are considered inhumane, cruel, or excessively violent. It can also be applied to cultural practices or traditions that are perceived as outdated or uncivilized by contemporary standards.